This summer, we had the opportunity to visit the B360 Camp and see how they were able to incorporate both STEM and dirt bikes. Now let's check it out.
Today is B360 Visitors Day that allows the Baltimore community to come out, experience the great things that B360 offers, which is connecting dirt bike activation to STEM engineer career fields and exploration.
Yeah, so what made me start B360? Through and through, I'm a city girl, right? I'm a Baltimore City Public Schools student. I wanted to make sure that for students, no matter where they come from, especially black kids in Baltimore, they knew how smart they are. Growing in our city, dirt bikes is the culture, right? So it's our job as older adults to make sure the culture pushes forward.
You know, in a city like Baltimore, where something that is so part of the DNA of these neighborhoods, they're not allowed to do it. And so to be able to come to a safe space where they are allowed to just really get steeped in it and understand how it can change the trajectory of their lives and put that to work is just phenomenal. And so not only does it instill skills, but it instills a sense of pride and elevates the culture. And so it's really great to be able to bear witness to it.
It has a lot of benefits for young people. It gets the kids from the negative side to the positive side. So if y'all come here, y'all see how it's nothing but good energy. You see nothing but smiles on people's faces. It just come with a lot. Show me responsibilities, maturity, show me how to manage my money, show me STEM.
Some of the things I learned was STEM, coding, engineering, more like how to ride a bike better, how to handle my money, and it's a lot.
I think it's just important just in general, like not just with our program, but just as a whole, you know what I mean? Like it's important to the program, of course, because they're going to have to be utilizing these parts when they're out on the field riding these bikes. So it's good for them to know like where certain parts go, how they're put in, if they ever need to fix them, they know where they need to go on a very basic sense, right? But it's also important on like a grander scale because these kids are so invested in it. They're actually really interested in it. They love it. Like I opened up the box to show them the kit and their eyes lit up. Just having them engaged and actually learning something and having fun doing it, that's like the biggest goal that we at B360 and myself have. So that's why it's so important. We want kids to be engaged. We want them to actually learn something from it too.
For me, it's just a joyous place to be, just seeing people just enjoying each other and enjoying doing something that's such a cool part of Baltimore. Being in Baltimore is dirt biking, and seeing this in such a positive way is great because it's always portrayed in such a negative light through our media.
Like it take people off the streets from riding on the streets, and then after you build a bond with everybody, it's pretty much just a family thing.
Wow, that was unbelievable. Using something like dirt bikes to teach STEM is almost revolutionary and rarely ever seen. Well, thanks for watching and make sure to follow us on City Schools TV. Bye!